What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, Wooden Stuff. Today I wanted to make this short video to tell you about a situation I had with a MCombo electric power lift recliner chair that I purchased for my dad. This is not a review of the product. This is to share with you a problem that I had with it. Specifically, my dad called me and told me that he lost power in the chair. So I immediately went over and found out what the problem was. And I thought, hey, let me share this and see if it'll help somebody else. So here we go. All right there, YouTube. Just a quick video here on a MCombo power lift chair. If you encounter a problem where the remote control is dark and it doesn't function, the chair's not moving, then what may have happened is that just underneath here, you'll see that there's a power switch. The power switch has no, if it's in the off position, there's no light. Turn it on, the light turns on. And now you got power. There it goes, working again. Hope that might help some of you. Check back in again.